Hello everybody. Today we're doing the Let's Learn More section of Unit 4 in Let's Go 5. And the first thing that we did on these pages was we learned 6 newish verbs, actions. They look like this.
Play the guitar. Speak English. Ride a unicycle. Bake. Cook. Sew.
Cool. And then we learned a really important adverb, which is the word well. And if I say somebody does something well, it just means they are good at that thing. So if I say that Kevin rides his bike very well, that means Kevin is good at riding bikes. He doesn't fall off his bike. He can ride fast. He can ride slow. He can do tricks. He's good at it. He rides his bike well. Let's just take that, and the pattern looked like this, and we can use that to make some sentences.
What does she do well?
She bakes very well.
What does he do well?
He plays the guitar very well.
What does he do well?
He paints very beautifully.
Okay, and I think that we're all done practicing now, so let's jump into our workbooks. Okay, it's workbook time, and this is part A. It says unscramble and write. And let's just start with these verbs, these actions, and a couple of verb phrases too. Here we go. He's got a needle and thread, and he's fixing and putting a button on. So this is sew, S-E-W. And the next one, he's got a pot, he's stirring it, he's seasoning it with salt, it looks like. So that's cook. Number 3, she's taking something out of an oven with oven mitts. So I think this is bake. Okay, now the phrases. She's got a guitar, so this is probably play the guitar. Okay, number 4, he is saying hello. So I think that this one is speak English. E-N-G-L-I-S-H. Don't forget your big E. And number 6, she is on a unicycle and she's riding it. So this must be ride a unicycle. R-I-D-E space A space unicycle. U-N-I-C-Y-C-L-E. All done. Let's go to part B. Okay, and part B just says unscramble and write. So we've got all the words that we need, but they're mixed up. For example, bakes he well very should be he bakes very well. So we can trace that one. He bakes very well. All right, and number 2 right now it says cooks well she very. Let's put the person first is she, and then the action is cooks. She cooks. How does she cook? She cooks very well. Great. All right, number 3, very she well sews. Okay, the person, the subject always goes first. So she, and what does she do? She sews. She sews. How does she sew? She sews very well. Okay, number 4, guitar well he plays very the. Okay, so where's the subject? It's right here, he. Okay, he, and what does he do? He plays, there's our action. He plays, what does he play? He plays, guitar. He plays the guitar. Okay, he plays the guitar. How does he play it? He plays the guitar very well. Okay, and there's very and well. And part B is done. All right, and this is part C. It says look and write. So we're gonna look at this picture and then write sentences about it down here. And they helped us by giving us all the words that we need up here. All right, let's try it out. Number 1 is already done. That's this cat who I guess is a boy. It says he walks quickly. So let's trace that. He walks quickly. Yeah, he is pretty fast. It's a fast cat. Right, let's cross off walks and quickly too. So walks is done. Quickly is done. Number 2, this man. And he's on the phone and look what he's saying. Hello! That's very loud. So I'm going to write he because it's a man. And then we'll choose speaks for our verb. He speaks. How does he speak? He speaks loudly. Okay, number 3 is this boy. So again, that'll be he. And I think we should choose plays. And how does he play? He plays beautifully. He plays. And they don't have the words up here, but I'm gonna write the violin. He plays the violin beautifully. Okay, cross off beautifully, cross off plays. And the next one, number 4, is this girl, and I think it's gracefully because she's wearing like a ballet tutu and ballet shoes. So I guess dances? Is she dancing? I don't know. We're gonna say she's dancing. So we'll say she dances gracefully. Okay. Cross off dances, cross off gracefully. And we only have 2 left now to talk about number 5. We have cooks and well. So let's write she cooks. And probably better than well. Look at these delicious lines. Let's say very well. Very well. Okay. And we'll cross those off. Great. Part C is done. Okay, here is part D. It says read and draw. So the first one is he rides a skateboard very gracefully. Wow, I don't even know how to draw that. I'm gonna draw stick figures. You can draw whatever you want, but I'm gonna keep it nice and easy. There is the ground. Here's a little jump. Here's the other side of the jump. All right, and then my skateboarder. It's gonna be, let's draw the skateboard first. So there's the skateboard, some wheels. All right, and then he's going to be using it with his hand. There's his hand, and his other hand. Woohoo! Give him a smile. Look at that, very, very gracefully. He can fly through the air so gracefully. All right, and in the next one it says, she plays the guitar very well. Okay, let's just draw, I guess, a guitar. Oh my, that does not look like, that looks like a peanut. Now it looks like chicken. All right, I apologize for my horrible guitar. What am I drawing? All right, anyways, there's her hand. And her other hand goes up here. And there's her head. And her hair and some bangs. And she's smiling as she plays her guitar. And to make it show very well, we'll just draw some music. That looks like music. Whee! And some hearts. Yeah, very well. And maybe she's on a stage so people can clap. Great. I'm sure you can draw better pictures than me, but I'm done part D, and that means that this page is done too. Good job.